Hello. Hearing okay? Okay, thank you. Last class, we stopped here. Learning curve example. Okay, this example doesn't give cost for first one. Just indicate as a K. We don't know. But second one, 102. Third one, 92.75. Fourth, 86.7. First question, estimate the learning percentage and K, initial cost. I think you remember arithmetic learning curve kind of concept or rule. When the unit number doubled from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, when it's doubled, times B. So unit number doubled, then times B. B is learning percentage. So from this relationship, we don't know K yet. So first we estimate learning percentage from like this. Y force unit cost for unit number 4 equals Y second, this one, times, when it's doubled, times B. We know this Y force, unit number 4 cost 86.7 equals unit cost for unit number 2, Y2, that is 102 times B. We don't know B yet. So B will be divided by 86.7, 102. So that means Y force divided by Y second equals B. So this relationship, and then also from 1 to 2, K2, Y2 equals K times B. So K equals divided by B each side, then Y second divided by B. So from this one and this one, B equals y fourth divided by y second equals 86.7 divided by 102 equals 0.85. So B is 0.85, 85%. Okay, then K equals y second divided by B equals 102 y second divided by 0.85 B equals 120. Okay. Question so far?
I have a question.
Okay.
Is learning percentage, is that what's represented by B?
Mm-hmm. B
Okay, thank you.
is the learning percentage in like a decimal point.
Okay.
So 85%. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Any other? No problem. Any other question? Okay, next one. Estimate the cost to produce the 20th unit. 20th unit, only one single unit. So that will be y 20th at 85%. Because we figure out learning percentage 85. That will be K times initial cost, unit factor 20th at 85%. So 85% and unit number is 20. The chart, first one, I uploaded this chart, only chart. So first one, unit improvement factor. I call this is unit factor, UF. So unit number 20 and then 85%. So initial cost 120 times unit factor 0.454 equals 59.448. Easy one. Okay, next. Estimate the cost to produce the 32nd unit. Again, single unit. We can write a formula like this. Y 32nd at 85 equals initial cost K times unifactor 32 at 85%. So try to find unifactor, unit number 32 at 85% from the chart, but we cannot find 32nd or 32. This case, either way, using this chart with the arithmetic learning curve concept, when it's doubled times b, or using logarithmic learning curve formula. You know, from 16th to 32. So if you cannot find the 32, then try to find half of that one divided by 2. So 32 divided by 2 equals 16. So if you can find this one, and then to get unifactor for 32nd times b. So it's like this. Unifactor 32, we cannot find, but if we find half of that one divided by 2, 16, then times b. So unifactor 16 is 0.552 times b, 0.85, will be unifactor 32nd. Understood? Yes?
Yeah,
Okay.
so we're always going to be given the percentage that we have to use, right? Like that's always going to be given to us. Okay, thank you.
So always, if you find learning percentage, then use that learning percentage again and again, okay? So, looks like this. So if you want to use logarithmic learning curve formula, in case you cannot find a unifactor from the chart, then y 32 at 85% equals k times x, actually n, that is log b divided by log 2. So that will be 120 times x is 32 unit number, log b is 0.85 divided by log 2. This part is the same as unifactor 32, 85%. So that will be 120 times this one, 0.55. I will calculate. I don't have. Oops. Where is calculator? Just a moment. What the? Just a moment. Okay, good. So 0.55 to 5 to 2 times 0.4437 equals 53.24. The same as this part is this one, and then this one is the same as this one. Okay. Questions so far? How about question ask why 64? We cannot find the 64, so 64 is here. We cannot find, then divide by 2, then 32. Still cannot find. Divide by 2, 16. So if we can find 16, doubled, 2 times. So times b times b. So unit factor 64 equals unit factor 16 times b times b. So that will be unit factor 16 times b squared. Okay. Next. Example number 4, estimate the cost to produce 40 units from 11s to 50s. 40 units, not single, multiple, that means cumulative. This one is learning curve from 11 to 50. This one equals, because the cumulative improvement factor gives from 0 to certain number. So you should get up to 50 minus up to 10. Because this one asks you find from 11 to 50. So 50 minus 10 is 11 to 50. It asks find 11 to 50. Sometimes students made a mistake up to 11. If you subtract up to 11, that is the same as 12 to 50. So to find 11 to 50, subtract up to 10, 1 minus. So this one, k times cumulative factor 11 to 50 equals k times cumulative factor 50 minus cumulative factor 11. 10, not 11, 10. So y 11 to 50 at 85% equals k times cumulative factor from 11 to 50, 85%. That is k times cumulative factor 50 minus cumulative factor 10. Up to 10, not 11. So from the chart, the second one, cumulative improvement factor 50, 85, 25.51, 10, 7.116. So 120K times 25.51 cumulative factor 50 minus 7.116 cumulative factor 10. So 25.51 minus 7.116 equals 18.394 equals 2207.28. Question?
If we,
That's all.
sorry,
Yeah.
if we were
Okay.
looking for a number on the cumulative chart that like wasn't there, would we do the same process as before with multiplying it by b?
That's not possible. That's not possible because cumulative factor different from unit factor.
Okay,
So
what would
when
we
you
do?
take a quiz, I will give the number you can find from the chart.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any other question? Okay, good. Okay, just a moment. You have, okay, where is the, you have practice problem. This practice problem is on Moodle. So I will give you 5 minutes. So read and then if you can try. Then work together. Okay. Any question? Let's do it together. A company can produce the second product at a cost of $18. So this one gives like y second equals 18. We don't know k, but gives 90% learning percentage. So from K2, it's 1 to 2, so doubled times B. B is 0.9. So K equals, not from here, y second equals K times B. So K equals y second divided by B. Y second is 18 divided by 0.9 equals 20. So K equals 20. And then what is the cost of producing 20th product? So Y 20th equals K times unit factor 20th at 0.9, 90% equals, I will bring up the chart. Unit improvement factor chart, 20th, 0.9 here, 90%. That is 0.6342. 0.6342. I will make it bigger. So 20th, 0.6342 at 90%. So it will be K is 20 times 0.6342 equals 12.68 dollars. Question? Okay, next one, Y 64 at 90% equals Y 60 K times unit factor 64 at 90%. Okay, earlier briefly I mentioned the 64, right? So if we can find the 64, then divided by 2, 32, still cannot find 16. So to get 64, unit factor 16 times B and B, so B squared. So it will be K times unit factor 16, 90% times B squared. So we need the unit factor 16. at 90%. 16ths, 90%. That is 0.6561, this one. So that will be, K is 20 times unit factor. 16ths is 0.6561 times B is 0.9 square. That will be 20 times 0.541, 14.5 equals 10.638, 28. So approximately 10.63. And then if we want to use logarithmic formula, then y 64 90% equals k times x log b divided by log 2. It will be 20 times x is 64 log 0.9 divided by log 2. So this part is the same as this one. So it will be 20 times 0.5314, and then the same answer. Question? Okay. Can I delete? Can I erase? Okay. And next question. You know what? Answer file is on Moodle to this question. Okay, next one. Cumulative. (101 to 200). 101 to 200 equals up to 200 minus up to 100. So that will be y 101 to 200 at 90% equals k times cumulative factor 101 to 200 at 90%. That will be k times cumulative factor 200 minus cumulative factor up to 100, not 101. That will be from the chart. The second chart. This column is 90%. So 100 is 58.14. 200 is 105. So this one minus this one. So answer will be this one is 20 times cumulative factor 200 is 105. Cumulative factor 100 is 58.14. That will be 20 times 46.86 equals 937.20. The answer file looks like this on Moodle. So if you need an answer, then find this file on Moodle. Any question? Okay, if you don't have a question, then it's time to take. Oh, yeah.
I actually have a question about B.
Okay, just a moment. I will erase. Okay.
Why is it why is the unit factor 16 and then multiplied by B squared? I know.
Yeah.
16 squared is 64. No, it's
okay.
not. It's not. But
64. From the chart, you cannot find. Then try divide by 2, then 32.
Oh.
Still cannot find, divide by 2, then 16. You can find the 16. You know, when it's doubled, times B times B, right? So to get 64, if you know 16ths, unit factor 64 equals unit factor 16ths. If you can find, to get 64 times B times B, 2 times.
Oh.
So it is square, right?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Okay, good. Good. Okay. So it's time to take quiz number 2. Okay, today 27. Already I checked attendance. Just a moment. Okay, I will send you quiz number 2 like last time, but just Norman. I already checked who is here, who is not. Just a moment. Well, but I need email address. And then just a moment. Okay, I emailed. Check your email. And the same as last time. So on blank paper, writing, or use Microsoft Word, or done writing and then take a picture or PDF, whatever. So I will give you up to 30 minutes. Then if you are, someone need more time, then I will give you up to 45 minutes. Connor, can you turn on camera?
Sorry about that.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
No problem. How about Mike? Thank you.